Okay guys, just ordered some stuff online, and it came, actually came a couple days ago, but I've been so busy I haven't had time to open it. But I thought I'd do an opening for you guys, so let's just open this up, see what we got in here. Okay, what do we have? There they are. Whoa, really put a lot in there. Okay, so more. Okay, looks like my stand. Okay, the PitBull stand. It's one with a removable handle. Which is nice. And I am just going to open this up. Okay, and let's see here. Oh, jeez. All right. Well, so you guys know, this is not exactly easy to do with one hand. Finally, okay. Oh, good. Okay, inside. Okay, there we go. Alrighty, let's take a closer look there. So this would be where we'd hold it up, unless you don't have any pegs for your rear wheel, then you can use these for the swing arm, which is kind of why I got this. So it's kind of universal. And then looks like we have a connector here. And let's see. Okay. Pull. There we go. Okay. That's kind of cool. It's a little holder, I guess, for this arm. This is the removable arm, by the way. So, take this off. Okay. Okay, it comes with little instructions on how to use it. Pretty basic. So again, use those little hooks here for the if you have spools on your rear wheel. And then again, if you just need to use a swing arm, just use these. Looks like you use this to loosen it. There you go. Now you can slide it, and then also I believe you have to have enough room, but you should be able to turn this around. Maybe you need to take it all the way off. Let's see. There we go. And take this. Okay. Slide it there. And then screw this back in. Now I actually tried to order some spools for my FZ07, but they didn't have any in stock. So that's actually why I'm actually turning this around. Because I will be using it right here for the swing arm. I'll need to make the adjustments though. Anyway, so this thing up here, pull the thing, locks in place, and there you go. That's basically it, assembled. So you just slide this under the bike, the rear wheel, lock these into place, and then just push down, set it down like that, and that's how you would raise the rear wheel. I'll be showing you a little bit more on this when I do the video for doing the oil change, but right now that's all I got. Alright, thanks guys for watching, and hope you have a good day.